Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set is a top-quality kitchen tool collection that is a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. Made with durable silicone material in a stylish khaki color, this set by Umite Chef guarantees both functionality and elegance in your kitchen. With a large size and an item weight of 3 pounds, these utensils are substantial and sturdy, making them perfect for daily use in a busy kitchen environment. The handle material crafted from wood provides a comfortable grip and adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. While the Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set is not dishwasher safe, the premium quality silicone material ensures easy cleaning by hand without compromising durability. The product dimensions of 3.94 x 3.94 x 1.97 inches and an item weight of 2.98 pounds make these utensils convenient to handle and store when not in use. Manufactured by Umite Chef, a reputable brand known for its high-quality kitchen products, this set.
Silicone Cooking Utensil Set by Fungan is a handy addition to any kitchen, boasting a total of 24 pieces in a stylish blue color. Crafted from high-quality silicone and stainless steel handles, these utensils are designed to be durable and long-lasting. With an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 9,213 ratings, it's clear that customers are impressed with the quality and performance of this set. The set includes a variety of essential utensils suitable for various cooking tasks. While the Silicone Cooking Utensil Set is not dishwasher safe, it is easy to clean by hand thanks to the materials used in its construction. The package dimensions of 14.84 inches, 5.43 inches, 5.39 inches, an item weight of 3.34 pounds make it a convenient and practical choice for everyday use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this set is sure to meet your cooking needs. Ranked #8, 758 in kitchen and dining and #40 in cooking utensil sets, this product has quickly become a favorite among CY.
Silicone Cooking Utensil Set is a top-quality kitchen accessory that is a must-have for culinary enthusiasts of all levels. Made with a combination of durable stainless steel and soft silicone, this utensil set in the elegant khaki color delivers both style and functionality to your cooking experience. This set includes a variety of essential kitchen tools, including spoons, spatulas, tongs, and more, all designed to meet your cooking needs with precision and ease. The large size and dimensions of 13.8 L 4.3 W ensure versatility and efficient use in various cooking tasks. One of the standout features of this set is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleaning up a breeze after each cooking session. The handles, crafted from silicone and stainless steel, offer a comfortable grip and heat resistance for safe and convenient use. Manufactured by Jamoon, a trusted brand known for its commitment to quality and innovation, this Silicone Cooking Utensil Set promises
utensils. Set by Oanao offers a high-quality and versatile solution for your kitchen needs. Made from silicone and wood, this set is designed to withstand high temperatures and provide durable performance for a variety of cooking tasks. The khaki color of the utensils adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor, while the large size of the set ensures you have the right tool for every cooking job. With product dimensions of 14 L 4.5 W, these utensils are easy to handle and store. While the handle material is wood, it is important to note that this set is not dishwasher safe. It is recommended to hand wash these utensils to prolong their lifespan. Manufactured by Oanao, this silicone cooking utensil set is ASIN B07 TTP2 SP6 and has gained popularity with a positive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 14,348 customer reviews. It is ranked as #919 in kitchen and dining and #7 in cooking utensil sets, showcasing its quality and popularity in the market.
Set by Umite Chef is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. Made of high-quality silicone, these utensils are not only durable but also safe to use with non-stick cookware. The gray color gives them a sleek and modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. With stainless steel handles, these utensils offer a comfortable grip and precise control while cooking. The set includes a variety of utensils in a convenient size, making it ideal for everyday cooking tasks. Plus, being dishwasher safe, cleaning up after use is a breeze. The Umite Chef Silicone Cooking Utensil Set is not only practical, but also aesthetically pleasing. The package dimensions of 14.76 inches, 5.39 inches, 4.69 inches ensure easy storage in any kitchen drawer or utensil holder. Considering its light weight of 3.1 pounds, these utensils are easy to handle and maneuver. Backed by the manufacturer Umite Chef, known for their quality.
3-piece silicone utensil set. Spatula is a versatile and high-quality kitchen tool that will elevate your cooking experience. Made of premium silicone material, this set in a charming mint color is both durable and stylish. The 3-piece set includes essential utensils for everyday cooking tasks. The BPA-free construction ensures that these utensils are safe for you and your family. Additionally, the silicone handle provides a comfortable grip while using them. The dishwasher safe feature makes cleaning up a breeze, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. With package dimensions of 13.15 inches, 3.27 inches, 1.89 inches, and an item weight of 12.6 ounces, this set is compact and easy to store in your kitchen drawers or utensil holder. The manufacturer, GIR, is known for producing top-quality kitchen tools, and this set lives up to that reputation. Whether you are a casual home cook or a culinary enthusiast, the GIR 3-piece silicone utensil set is a
5-piece silicone utensil set. Ladle is a high-quality kitchen tool designed to elevate your cooking experience. Made with durable silicone material in an elegant mint color, this 5-piece set by GIR is a perfect combination of style and functionality. Each utensil in the set is designed with precision to meet the needs of both professional chefs and home cooks. With product dimensions of 12.3 L 2.5 W and a light weight of 1.48 pounds, the GR silicone utensil set is easy to handle and store. The dishwasher safe feature makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you more time to focus on creating delicious meals. The silicone handle offers a comfortable grip, ensuring a pleasant cooking experience every time. Manufactured by GIR in the USA, this utensil set guarantees top-notch quality and durability. The item model number, Girdle 5, up 180 MNT showcases the brand's commitment to excellence. Customers have rated this product 4.5 out of 5 stars, reflecting its papu.
Set by Umite Chef is a versatile and essential addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, these utensils are durable and heat-resistant, making them perfect for all your cooking needs. The set comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The utensils feature acacia wooden handles that provide a comfortable grip and a stylish look. With dimensions of 2.87 L 0.13 W and weighing 1.56 pounds, these utensils are lightweight and easy to handle. While these utensils are not dishwasher safe, they are easy to clean by hand, ensuring they will last for years to come. The set includes a variety of essential cooking tools, such as spatulas, spoons, and tongs, making it a versatile option for any home chef. With over 3,488 ratings and an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars, it's clear that customers love this silicone cooking utensil set from Umite Chef. Ranked #10 in cooking utensil sets and #1 975 in kitchen and
The Corodi Silicone Cooking Utensils Set for Kitchen is a versatile and durable collection that offers great value for both novice and experienced cooks. With package dimensions of 13.23 inches, 4.29 inches, 3.54 inches, and an item weight of 2.07 pounds. This set is convenient to store and handle in any kitchen environment. Manufactured by Corodi, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, these utensils are designed to meet the needs of everyday cooking tasks. The set comes with essential tools such as spatulas, ladles, tongs, and more, making it a comprehensive solution for various culinary requirements. With a solid customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from 516 reviews, this set is widely appreciated for its performance and reliability. It is evident from its bestsellers rank of #890 in kitchen and dining, and #6 in cooking utensil sets, that this product has gained recognition within the market. Overall, the Corodi Silicone.
Number 7.
The Silicone Cooking Utensils Set by Aothod offers a premium cooking experience with its durable construction and sleek design. Made from high-quality stainless steel and silicone, this utensil set is designed to withstand the rigors of daily kitchen use. In classic black color, this set adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. With a large size and dimensions of 13.8 L 4.3 W, these utensils are versatile and suitable for various cooking tasks. The item weight of 2.8 pounds makes them light enough for comfortable handling, yet substantial enough for effective use. One of the key highlights of this set is its dishwasher-safe feature, allowing for easy cleanup and maintenance. The handles, made from silicone and stainless steel, provide a secure and comfortable grip during use, enhancing precision and control while cooking. Manufactured by Kit Cook Jamun in China, these cooking utensils have received positive feedback from customers, with a commendable average rating of